Personalized customization of small batch items, it's really convenient. All it takes is such casual sprinkle. You can perform an accurate positioning printing, whether it is a regular or irregular object. Hello everyone, this is Dancy from Yinghe Company. Today I'm more than happy to introduce our UV flatbed printer. This is our visual positioning function. Scan the position and outline of the object on the platform. You only need to align one of the patterns. The rest will automatically match the alignment. Take a look. This is what we just printed out. Want to print on cups, bottles or other cylindrical items? No problem. Just add the optional rotary attachment. It's super easy to install and use. Get smooth. Even print on curved surface in minutes. Oh, and don't miss this amazing function. It can print UV DTF field too. Just pair it with a laminator in the process, and it opens up a whole new world of transfer printing. Perfect for custom stickers, logos, and decorations that stick firmly on any surface. Not only that, it can print on TPU materials too. Simply pair it with a cutting plotter and a heat press, and you can create awesome Sunday TPU logos on t-shirts.